What's going on, y'all? We back. About to let the chickens out, so I figured I'd make a little update. What's going on back here with the garden and chicken yard and all that. So let's get. So I got the Isa Browns and the brown sex links together, and they've been doing well. So no more roosters, no more meat birds right now. I'm not gonna get roosters until, well, I look to get a bigger property. We'll see what happens with that, so eventually. And I actually built them a hoop coop. I got a video about that coming, and I'll show y'all that before we get up out of here. But just want to give you guys an update. As you can see, the little feathers on the ground, so you know it's been going down. I processed them. I got a video about that too. I went ahead and processed my last few meat birds. I did 40 meat birds this year that I actually processed. So that was the most I've done. I think the most I've done before was like 25. So, but we did about 40 this year. It was pretty cool. Let me fill this water up. But yeah, these nipples, they've been excellent. Them cups I had before, horrible. At best. So yeah, this whole little area, I'm gonna try to turn into something else once I put them all in that hoop coop right there. So I might try to turn this into like grass or something. Let them out, let them eat so they can still be somewhat safe. Because when you got them hawks out here. Got them hawks. I'm gonna move that. That's gonna probably be for the new meat birds. And about it. So I'm gonna let them out for a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all this hoop coop that we're gonna finish up. I already got the door on it. Of course, I gotta fix the bottom and stuff like that, but I've been slowly putting this together as we've been, as time going on, slowly putting this together. Got the door on it, got the chicken wire around it. This is where the nesting boxes are gonna be. It's gonna come out so I can lift it up just like I got over there. And the roosting bars are pretty much gonna go from right here straight down. So they both can, I got 30 of them, so 15 and 15, 15 on this side, 15 on that side, or however they do it, they do what they want. But that's this. We're gonna finish that up in the next couple of videos. As you can see, I took away the chicken composting system, took that away. I'm gonna build it back, because what I'm gonna do in the woods, I'm gonna try to get more grass out here, because the plan is to get at least 2 goats, just to start with while I'm here. 2 goats. And then I want some sheep. I know I want a lot of things, but we'll see what happens. But I want some, definitely 2 goats I'm gonna put out here just to walk around and eat up this. I don't want too many goats. I did want a lot at first, but 2's fine. And we'll see what happens after that. But that's that. Now the berry patch, these are the blackberry plants. They got, still got leaves on it. It's been cold. It ain't been like winter yet, but it's getting there. It's been cold. We had some cold spots, but this still got leaves on it. This other one, I think this is the, I'll put the name up there. I forgot. I ain't been fooling with it since it started getting cold. Then the raspberries, doing pretty well. But what I'm gonna do with this area, like I said, I removed the chicken composting system, but I'm gonna put it on the back of that. So I'm gonna scoop their stuff back there and then use that for grass. I'm gonna try to make a pasture area for when we do get goats, but even if I don't, the chickens will definitely have some good grass. But this the berry patch is doing all right. Over there, where I had the strawberries at first, and then I put beans, I took the soil from the soil bags when I tried to grow the oregano, parsley, and cilantro. I put some of that soil over here, and it's actually growing oregano, parsley, and cilantro over here. So I guess, win's a win. So we're just gonna leave it like that with herbs. But I'm probably just gonna pull one or the other, depending on what I want the most or whatever's doing the best. And then I'm gonna just keep that, make that be the whole, I guess the whole thing. Or I might split it in two and have, I'm trying to figure out what I eat the most of. Keep oregano on that side, definitely. Oregano is very good for you, very good for you. As far as like antifungal and things of that nature. As you can see, the flowers are pretty much done. Me and my daughter, we're gonna come out here one of these days and get all these flower heads up and save the seeds and everything. And I don't know, we might give some away. So y'all stay tuned for that. But we definitely look to do a lot of that, and I'll talk about that more when we get to the garden area up there. But yeah, that's the berry patch. I'm gonna fence this off so the chickens could come in here and scratch around all winter and keep it up for me. Yeah, that's that. Let's go up here. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Greenhouse been holding up pretty well. Of course, you know, these little straps up top, that'll be all right. Little straps up top broke on me, but it is what it is with that. With the flowers, that's what we look to do. We look to just start growing a lot of flowers. Zinnias and the marigolds that I normally grow. We're gonna use the greenhouse for that. So we're gonna have a bunch of that stuff, so. And we're gonna set up the flower beds a little bit better for the next season. My son done broke the daggone hummingbird feeder, the plastic one, not the glass one. But yeah. Oh man, and my cat, my buddy, he done died on me. He got hurt, didn't recover. So, yeah, he's my buddy. So, I got me another cat. Not saying he gonna replace him, but having that cat made me realize how beneficial having a cat in this type of setting is. So, if you do have like a farm, backyard, homestead, whatever, yes, having a cat is very beneficial to that environment. But yeah, the garden, let me show y'all that. You know, of course I gotta cut everything up. What I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna make this whole thing a garden. I know I have my separate spots, but I think next season, I'm probably just gonna stick to one thing at a time, or just try to get a whole nother spot, or maybe incorporate the other side of this little fake fence I got. So that might be the goal next season. But yeah, the beans that I planted ain't do nothing. They ain't do nothing. So I think something's probably wrong with that spot right there. I might give it a break for a while. I used to grow watermelons there all the time. But even the watermelons this year, I had a bunch of watermelons, and they were pretty good, but it wasn't like it used to be. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna just give that spot a little break for a little while. But yeah, as you can see, we still got some leftover peppers that I didn't harvest. Once I harvested my last little bit, I just left it alone. Well, I don't know, I might keep it like this. Or I might just build like 2 grow beds. Right here, and then another one over there, we'll see. Got a little bit of time, but you know, that happens quick. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little update of what's going on. So y'all just stay tuned. I make a lot of short videos as well when I'm not able to make long form videos. Y'all be sure to check those out, all right? Next one.